go to the salon for a wig. I can get that bone straight from home, honey. Good morning and welcome back to my channel. So this week is my birthday week. My birthday is on Friday, which is New Year's Eve. The hair, the nails, it all needs to be tamed. So I probably will go ahead and record me doing my hair. I already washed and blow dried it. It was like this in my Christmas vlog. I basically had washed and blow dried it. I should have probably did a tutorial on how I take care of my hair, because yes, baby, this is all me. All me. No weave, no tracks, no nothing. Not saying I don't wear weaves, wigs, or additional clip-ins to add more length, volume, etc. I do. I just sometimes prefer my natural hair. Today, I'm gonna go ahead and do a video of me flat ironing my hair. Just a couple of clips, throw them in there. Children, they don't care what you doing, how you doing it, where you doing it, and how you doing it, and where you doing it at. Irritating. Anyways, so I'm gonna go ahead and record myself flat iron my hair, the products that I use to flat iron my hair, and you can see the finished product. So I was just checking in, you know, remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and tune in if you want to see how this birthday week is going to go. Okay, so let's hop right in. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the products that I use to flat iron my hair to get it nice and silky and flowy and stiff wear like. Alright, so I have my coconut oil, the 24-hour, I think it's edge tamer. I put a little bit on the root, and then I flat iron my hair, but you'll see how I do that. I'll show you. I got 2 clips and my trusty flat iron. I think this is a Movi. I got it off Amazon. I'll try and remember to leave the link below so you guys can get it. That flat iron is so bomb. You see how thick my hair is, and you're gonna see the aftermath of how silky and straight and flowy it is. This thing gets it done. That's definitely like a black girl flat iron. And actually, let me not even say that, because you don't even have to be black to have thick hair. So let me not say that. But for us thick hair girls, we need a flat iron that can get it without burning our hair, without pulling our hair as it's sliding down. It's so smooth, good quality, off Amazon. I think it was like $30, like $35. That includes shipping and handling or whatever. But let's hop right into this video. Okay, so now the 24-hour edge tamer, this is what I use it for. So push it up a little bit, and you know, the top part of my hair, I go ahead and I put a little bit of the edge tamer on there, so it gives it that extra silky bone straight. See, I just put a little bit. And then I'm gonna flat iron it. It's gonna be nice and silky up top, baby girl. Not greasy, but silky. do the other side. Stiff wear, not here. All me. Go to the salon for a wig. I can get that bone straight from home, honey. And it's all me, honey. Oh, okay, so this is the finished look. It's given, honey. All me. Period. But I'm probably gonna go ahead and vlog me doing my nails either tonight or tomorrow. Either way, it needs to get done because my birthday is Friday, and I can't be looking busted even though I'm not doing nothing extravagant. You know, we just going to the Vegas Strip, you know, pop a couple bottles, be a little hood rats. I'm a bit with my family, so it ain't nothing like that, but still, I definitely will be vlogging my birthday and the fun that I'll be having. You know, it's just simple, having a little bit of fun. But like I said, I was just checking in with you guys, letting you guys know that the hair is done and it's giving. And yeah, I might go ahead and vlog me doing my nails today or tomorrow. I don't know. We'll see when I call y'all back. I'll let you know. Hey boos. Okay, so I know it's the next day. I didn't vlog me doing my nails, but these are the birthday nails. They cute. But anyways, I'm right here at the liquor store. Hopefully they got my DÜSSE, because you know I drink dark. If they don't have DÜSSE, I'll settle for Jack Daniels. You know, those are my choice preferences. So let's go ahead and head in this liquor store and get me some drink for my B-day. Yes, they have some DÜSSE left, baby. Wow. Y'all just don't know. I love DÜSSE. It's like so smooth. It's better than Hennessy. I think Hennessy is fucking nasty. And Jack Daniels, that's my other boo. That's my side nigga. But DÜSSE, this is daddy. This right here is daddy. Okay? But Jack Daniels is like, that's my side nigga. You know? Call y'all back. Hey dog. Tonight's vibe. You know, nothing too major. So I'm winding my hair right now. I have to do the other side. I think I'm gonna go ahead and take a drink break, take a shot of DÜSSE. And then I'll start on the other side, put a little bit of hairspray in it so it can hold the curl, and then okay doll, so right now we are actually waiting on our lift. Of course it's New Year's Eve, so the time frame is crazy. I believe they gave us about a 20-25 minute window, so now we have it reserved for them to come and pick us up, and then of course I will vlog some more on the strip. Nothing too much, you know. Simple, but you know, still cute. So we will see you there. right there is my mom. She's a hater. If that's the case, I will. Hi, you two. Oh, my snooker, snooker. I love when it's this lighting, because hello.
Irritating. She irritating. What's up? How's everybody? Happy New Year.
All right, so the fireworks haven't begun yet. Just with the fam bam. Say hi, family. Hi. All right, so we just made it to Dre's. The strip is so beautiful tonight. It's not as cold as it could be. Let me go ahead and turn the camera around so y'all can see. I'm about to fuck some food up. Do you hear me? Do you hear me? Do you hear me? It was one of those nights. Nice, chill, good vibes. To the back. Ooh, my thing is going off. It's time to eat.